everyone, welcome back on the AgriAdventures YouTube channel. Today we are going to Aldinga beach where it's a beautiful sunny day, by the way, for how you can see, and we are gonna visit a friend of mine which is Pino and Lorena, by the way. He's organizing a Sicilian cooking class with some friends, and we're gonna have a look. Enjoy. Hello, buongiorno.
Welcome to Santopalato.
Thank you very much. How are you?
Very well, come in.
Good.
Good morning.
Good morning, Pino. How's it going?
Good.
All good?
Good. We're just waiting for our arancine class to start.
Oh.
So today's arancine making class.
So are they gonna steal your recipe? Your secret recipe?
Well, the idea is to share the recipe so that the more people know about our food, the better.
In this bottle there is the rice,
Okay.
and there is all ingredients for cooking the sauce or mushroom.
Are they gonna eat the arancini?
They will have some to take home and then they'll have some to eat here.
Can I stay too?
We'll talk a little bit about the history of Sicilian food
Oh.
and the history of how the arancine came to be.
Wow, that's just cool.
It's a 4-hour class, so that includes sitting down and having something to eat. Okay, so Pino and I met in Italy 8 years ago. I think it was, 8 years ago. And of course he followed me to Australia. But while he was here waiting for his visa, he wasn't able to work, so he was cooking because he's always had a love and a passion for cooking. And then eventually, when he got his visa, we started our first venture was Street Food Sicily. So selling traditional street food of Palermo on the streets of Adelaide. And from that we developed our business called Santopalato. Now Santopalato is the name of Pino's family's business, so it was a restaurant that was in the family for 3 generations, and so it means either the holy palate or the sacred palate. And we wanted to continue that tradition here in Australia, so we started up a little food business, essentially making food to order. We do catering, and then this year we developed our cooking classes. So it's been a lot of fun, and we're really looking forward to it. Sicilian food is very different from the rest of the continent, and that's mainly because of the different influences from all the different nations that have invaded Sicily. It's simple food, simple flavours with simple ingredients, based on the concept of la cucina povera, so the poor man's sort of cooking, where they try to use everything they have at their fingertips and not wasting much food. The history of the arancina is very interesting because there's great dispute about whether it's an arancina or arancino. If you come from the eastern side of Sicily, like Catania or Messina, you'll call it arancino. If you come from Palermo or from Trapani on the western side, it's arancina. Why? Because the arancina is round and it means little orange, arancina. And arancina is feminine, but on the eastern side, the tree is masculine, so they stick to that. So there's always a big dispute as to who is right. So we're from Palermo, so we call it arancina. Not the mushroom? No mushroom. It's meat.
We're all happy on this lovely
sunny Saturday.
Yeah, and I'm really happy for you gonna have it after. Squeeze! E lo facciamo vedere alla camera. Ta-da! Perfetto. Well, I believe it was a really good experience. It was fun to see people approaching Sicilian cuisine in this way, and also I got some of the little, can't say little arancini. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and like I did, and we will see the next time. Don't forget to leave your comments below if you have any comments to leave, and like and subscribe. Ciao!